math people. Welcome to lesson 7 in our series on philosophy and math. This is our first lesson on Plato, math and philosophy. Welcome. Don't be that guy in the back of the room though that brought his Plato. We're not doing Plato today, we're doing Plato. Yeah, big difference there. For Plato, education isn't the same as putting stuff in your head, filling your head with knowledge. That's not what it means. Instead, it's like turning around the soul towards the light from the dark. The Greek word is periagogē. You're like that soul baby there. Turn from the dark, baby. Go to the light. That's right. Like Pythagoras, Plato conceived of learning and education as remembering or recollection. The Greek word is anamnesis. Recollection, in the philosophic sense, means remembering your connection and participation in all of reality. The human intellect has the capacity to know all things, inasmuch as our minds participate in all of reality. Each of us is made up of the same stuff as the rest of the universe. Each of us is a little universe or microcosmos. We can know everything that exists because we are a part of everything that is, and everything is a part of us. When we learn, we're just remembering or recollecting that participatory relationship. See, the cosmos is inside of you, and when you learn, when you write, you are expressing the cosmos. Because knowing is remembering how you are a part of all things, and all things are a part of you, the truest sort of education is about self-knowledge. The Greeks had this famous sentence, gnothi se auton. It's from the oracle at Delphi. It was over the top of the doorway as you entered in to see the priestess of Apollo, to consult her about life. For Plato, coming to know thyself really means coming to be aware of your own ignorance. But if this is what is most important about education, isn't our view today quite the opposite? Your tests and your classwork are about showing what you know and never about what you don't know. We're so scared of that, right? Your grades are all about what you can demonstrate that you know. You don't get rewarded for discovering the extent of your own ignorance. You might get a D. Today's philosophic experiment, students. Question 1. In your journal, write about which metaphor of learning works better for you. Education as filling your head with stuff, or education as recollection? Which do you think is a better model, and why? Question 2. Think about Plato's view of true education as self-knowledge. Do you agree? How much does your own schooling help you to know yourself? Does math help you to know yourself? Explain. Question 3. What do you think education would look like today if we thought more like Plato? What would your school day be like? What would your classes be like? What would teaching be like? All right. Hope you have a good time learning about Plato. We'll see you next time. Bye.